Good morning.
Good morning. I have a blue finger.
You do have a blue finger. I love it. It's like a lollipop finger. Good morning, Summer. Summer's working very precisely on something. And Vera just finished her eggs.
Mommy, it's a lollipop finger.
You want to get out? Okay.
And it's blueberry flavor.
Blueberry.
Because it's
Oh, my favorite. Oh. Ooh, you have strawberry flavor? Yummy. Okay, put it down. Good morning, Dean.
Good morning.
What are you doing?
Playing video games. Did you?
What game? Give us some detail.
Grand Theft Auto. Yes, I used it.
Dean has his own YouTube channel.
Put it in the description.
I'll put it in the description. What's it called?
Dino Space MC. Capitals don't matter. It'll still show up. Me holding a cat. With a Christmas tree in the background. I still need a.
Dino MC.
Yeah, I still need to take that away because the holidays are over and school's back. I mean, it's the weekend, but still.
Summer's bed.
Inside.
Before.
Put
Who's going to help me do Summer's bed? Will you?
Put your feet out. Take your feet out.
And voila! Bed made. Now we gotta do Dean's room. This crazy bed. Before and after. These two girls. Aww. Cuties. Are you guys gonna eat something with Daddy?
What? I'll see you on Saturday. Because 12 for 1. I'll see you on Saturday. Because 12 for 1, it'll be. Oh, you need to answer me.
Voila! Delicious shake for lunch. It's snowing and it's beautiful. Look at this tree. So pretty. And I hear snow blowers. So pretty out.
Hello.
What are you making?
Oh, there's not much paper.
Stuff.
Paper stuff?
When you're a kid, that's usually
What is it?
but it's not when you're
Stuff like this.
Let me see it. Cool.
You like it?
I just need to make it done.
What are you guys doing? Oh, look at Daddy wearing a choker. So stylish.
You like it? You like my necklace, Rose?
Summer's having dinner. What are you eating?
Spaghetti.
Is it yummy?
I need meatball.
You want meatball?
Hey!
Vera, you eating?
Daddy.
You eating?
Daddy.
Daddy's so silly. What do you do?
Eh.
You put that on his neck? A necklace? So silly, Daddy.
Dada.
When are you gonna have dinner? When you're done playing? With your eggs?
Still snowing. Supposed to be flying right now on mint, but I'm not.
Good thing you're not.
I'm glad I'm not.
See, but he's glad. That
It is
means
snowing.
you
You can't even see it. Oh, maybe a little.
Do my job.
Yes, Vera.
What? Daddy.
What?
You want Daddy to
Just
eat?
when Chloe's
Daddy, what are you
looks at
doing?
home.
Ooh, that's a good job. What did you do from home?
Mommy.
Oh, wow, Dean.
Ow, I can't pin my arm. I made
Good.
it. See?
You're gonna need a lot new printer forever.
Mommy.
That's okay.
Mommy.
It looks cool, Dean.
Now decorate them.
I was like that.
Well, yeah, make an S. Blue and red.
And I can't even go like this.
Oh, you're so strong.
Ooh, that's cool.
How will I
I
roll?
wonder if you can pull it out like Play-Doh. No.
Let me see that, Cece.
On top of spaghetti, all covered in cheese.
I'm gonna make a snack.
I lost my poor meatball.
That's how it goes. Little family movie night.
I love you.
I love you, sweetheart.
Ready?
Oh my god, she bangs her head so hard back.
Why would she have you meet her in a bar at 2 in the morning?
Oh, those kisses. Oh, those kisses. Alright, no more.
Mommy. We're watching. Mommy. We are watching. Mommy. Mommy.
We have a ghost in this house.
Oh, I love those.
Haunted, I think.
Mwah.
Mommy.
I don't know. Who touched Daddy?
Me.
You did?
Mommy. Mommy.
Do your kisses. Let me see those lips. I'm gonna get you.
Mommy. Mama. Just kidding.
It was you.
Me.
I knew it. It's always Cece tricking me. You're always a tricker.
Are you a trickster?
Yeah.
I love you.
Let's go.
Summer, what movie is Dean watching?
What?
What movie is... Oh my god, you guys are so cute. What movie is Dean watching?
Are you watching? We are watching. Oh yeah, Dumb and Dumber.
Except the girls aren't really watching it because they don't understand the humor. Not you. What's wrong with it? Oh, it has a sticker? Silly. Dean, maybe you should move back, honey.
I took the sticker off. I got chocolate.
Chocolate. It's time for bed.
Hot.
girl. What?
Hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate? Tomorrow morning.
Can you read this to me upstairs?
Yes.
Okay, let's go.
Alright, let's go. Time for bed.